Good morning, students and viewers. In the last video, we have discussed the carboxylic acids, the nomenclature of carboxylic acids, and what are the carboxylic acids, because the monocarboxylic acid and dicarboxylic acids may be a different classifications, and aromatic carboxylic acids and the substituent of carboxylic acids like chloro substitution and hydroxyl group substitution, like in the position of alpha and beta and gamma. There are some more compounds, the carboxylic acids. Now in this video, let's see the acidity of carboxylic acids in the some more discussion, because in the last video we have discussed something about the carboxylic acid acidic nature, but the equilibrium we have not included, the equilibrium and ionization of carboxylic acid into the water molecules, because whenever compare the alcoholic compound and the carboxylic acid compounds, the carboxylic acid having a slightly acidic nature more than the alcoholic compounds, because the pKa value for alcoholic compounds around 15 to 19, but in the case of it is actually slightly higher than the case of water, because for in the case of ethanol molecules the pKa value is 15.9, but in the case of water molecules the pKa value is 15.7. But we can say that here the alcoholic and water molecule, compare the alcoholic and water molecules and carboxylic acid compounds. The carboxylic acid, when it is dissolved into the water molecules, the equilibrium of water molecule does not appreciably change, because the equilibrium, K equilibrium of water molecules does not change appreciably when it is dissolved in the water molecules. So now the acidity of carboxylic acids, compare the acidity of carboxylic acids in the various substituents, like if the acidic acid substituted or one of the hydrogen is replaced by any one, or one of the hydrogen is replaced by any one of the chlorine group, like electron withdrawing group, or it is electron donating group. Compare the formic acid and acidic acid nature, which one is strong acids? If it is electron donating group is present, then more. Compare furthermore methyl group is present in the case of any acidic nature group, it will decrease the acidic nature, because electron donating group decrease the acidic nature of carboxylic acids, as well as electron withdrawing group increase the acidic nature of carboxylic acid, because it withdraw electron, so hydrogen can be easily removed as a shift of H+ ions. But in the case of electron donating group, it electron donates, so the acidity nature of the carboxylic acid is actually become decreased. Now let's see how the acidic nature can be proved by the equilibrium of water, and combining the equilibrium of water with the ionization constant, that is the acidic nature of ionization constant of carboxylic acid. Now let's see the carboxylic acid ionization. So acidity of carboxylic acids. So acidity of carboxylic acid group. Now, so when the acidic group dissolved in water molecule, the equilibrium reactions, it is actually acid, this is a base molecules. So we can obtain RCO2 minus, because this is a conjugate base as well as the conjugate acids. Here H3O plus conjugate is actually acid is also obtained. Now in this case the K equilibrium of these reactions can be written as K equilibrium is equal to R into CO2 minus, because the product divided by reactant into H3O plus divided by R COOH into H2O. This is the equilibrium of ionization of acid into the water molecule. Now the Ka value for most of the unsubstituted and aliphatic and aromatic value will be 10 to the power minus 4 to 10 to the power minus 5. But compare the acidic nature of acetic acid, CH3COOH, the value of CH3COOH will be 1.74 into 10 to the power minus 5. Compare these acidic nature with the water molecules having slightly acidic character more than the comparison of acetic acids. Now, for example, pKa value of acetic acid is equal to 4.76. 4.76. So most of the aliphatic and unsubstituted. Now I strictly say that the unsubstituted aliphatic and aromatic character acids, pKa value will be most in the case of 10 to the power minus 4 to 10 to the power minus 5. Whenever compare the strong acid and weak acid, strong acid should have the pKa value slightly less, and the weak acid will have the pKa value slightly more. But comparison of pKa and Ka value, pKa is equal to minus log Ka, so Ka value should be more, but pKa value should be less in the case of strong acids. But in the case of weaker acids, the pKa value will be high and the Ka value will be low. This is a essential condition for determining the pKa value of acetic acids. Now, so this is a combining this equilibrium. Whenever the acids dissolved in the water molecules, the ionization of acidic nature of acids does not appreciably changes when it dissolved in the water molecule. So at 15.5 mole per liter. So we combine the K equilibrium and ionization of acids into the water. K ionization is equal to K equilibrium of water is equal to R into CO2 minus into H plus divided by RCOOH. This is a combining equation of ionization of acids into the water with equilibrium reactions. So this is a RCO2 minus here the H plus. Here we have written as a conjugate base and conjugate acids. So it can give the proton easily, or it can able to accept the proton very easily. Divided by RCOH acid and water molecule. Here also the same, but in the case the acidic nature of the conjugate is, instead of conjugate acid we have written as a H plus. Why acidic acids? Some of the acid group more acidic than the alcoholic group. We have already seen it in the last video, because whenever the alcoholic group dissolved in the whenever the alcoholic group ionization, the equilibrium will shift to the left side. But in the case of whenever the ionization of acetic acids like acids group, the ionization will be the equilibrium shifted to the right side, because the in the alcoholic group the acidic nature is defined by the inductive effect alone. But in the case of acidic acids like acids group, the equilibrium of reactions will shifted to the right side, furthermore extended, because the resonance and inductive effect of the both of the reactions has been taking place. The carboxylate anion which will be stabilized, as well as the carbonyl compounds like COOH or COOH here. Some more nature, the carbonyl compounds having the slightly carbons contains the slightly positive charge, and oxygens can get the slightly negative charge. So this hydroxyl ion also can able to shifted as a hydroxyl proton. Similarly, the still extension of withdrawal electron, the oxygen from the hydrogen atom. So it is also possible to take place as a H plus ions. Similarly, the electronegativity difference between the carbon and oxygen, here also the some more difference. There is a difference between the carbon and the oxygen electronegativity. So it can be able to shifted as a proton as well as a hydroxyl ions. This is the difference between the carboxylate, acidic nature of the acid group and the alcoholic group. We can see the right in the formation of equation like, so CH3 CH2OH. Here the alcohol ethanol molecules will be shifted like CH3 CH2O minus plus H plus here the equilibrium will shifted to the right side whenever the whenever can be shifted to the equilibrium in the left side, but in the case of no resonance structure taking place in the case of alcoholic molecules, but whenever compare the acetic acids like CH3, COH, here the electron, lone pair of electrons shifted to here, so the double bond of electron shifted to the oxygen atom, so carboxylic anion is formed. Now this equation can be written as CH3, C, then O minus, here the double bond OH plus. So the canonical structure, the two equilibrium structure can be assigned for these acetic acids, because whenever the shifted the lone pair of electron to the oxygen atoms, the sigma bond, the hydrogen can be able to shift as a proton, the carboxylate anion is formed. So we can write the two canonical structure whenever the hydrogen is removed, like CH3, C, O minus, here the double bond O minus, or we can return as a CH3, C, here the O minus, or in the case of double bond O. These are the difference between the resonance structure taking place as well as the inductive effect taking place. These are the reactions included in the case of acidic group, but in the case of alcoholic group there is no resonance structure and inductive effects taking place. This is the acidity. These are the overall nature of the acidity of carboxylic acids. Now we can see some more in the point of view substituent of acidic acids like electron withdrawing group or electron donating group. We can compare with the pKa value and Ka value of electron withdrawing substituent and electron donating substituents. So electron effect of substituent on acidity. So effect of substituent on acidity. So whenever electron releasing group like alkyl group, compare the acidic acids, formic acid and acidic acids, or in the case of propanoic acid. So pKa value will be like this, 3.75. Here the pKa value is equal to 3.75. For in the case of acidic acid 4.76, 4.87. Propanoic acids. Compare this pKa value of these three acids. The pKa value for in the case of strong acids should be very, very less, and Ka value should be higher in the case of acids. So here the formic acid having the pKa value slightly less than the acidic acid and the propionic acids. So formic acid is a strong acid because the acidic character increases like in the following left way. So it decreases the strength of whenever the electron donating group presents, it decreases the strength of carboxylic acid group. So if it is electron withdrawing group, so here the acidity nature increases, but the negative charge of carboxylate anion is not stabilized by the negative charge of carboxylate anion not stabilized by electron donating group. But if it is electron withdrawing group is present, the inductive effect is also predominant. Similarly, the negative charge of carboxylate anion is stabilized by electron withdrawing group substituent is present. So if it is electron, here the electron donating group. If it is electron withdrawing group, so what is how the reaction is taking place? For in the case of examples, acidic acids like CH3COOH, here the pKa value for all this case they have assigned for the pKa value will be 4.76. Iodoacetic acids, CH3, instead of hydrogen there is a one of hydrogen is replaced by any one of the slightly, because iodine is also slightly able to can give the electron donating as well as partially electron withdrawing character. Here now we assume that the iodine has electron withdrawing character I into CH2COH. The iodoacetic acids like 3.18. Here the bromoacetic acids CH2COH 2.90. Similarly, like fluoroacetic acids FCH2COH, like this is a group can be written as 2.59. So compare these acids. Whenever the electron withdrawing group is present, the inductive effect is also predominant. Similarly, carboxylate ion, the negative charge of carboxylate ion is stabilized by the electron withdrawing group present in the particular compound. So acidic nature increases in the following right side. So acidity increases. Here also acidity increases. Here also acidity increases. So if it is electron donating group, the acidic nature increases. The compound, the carboxylic acid, which should contain the number of methyl group or electron donating group should be less. But in the case of electron withdrawing group, the electron withdrawing group ability should be more. So acidic character increases more. So multiple effect of substituents. We can see the multiple effect. So whenever compare the chloroacetic acids, mono and dichloro and trichloroacetic acids, here the monochloroacetic acid CH2 COOH, here the dichloroacetic acid Cl2 CH COOH, Cl3 COOH. Here the some more compounds, the pKa value is equal to 2.86, here 1.48, here the 0.70. So pKa value, compare the pKa value of mono and dichloro and trichloroacetic acids. Here the trichloroacetic acids withdraw electron. The chlorine nature of the chlorine actually having ability to withdraw electron from the carboxylic acid. The carboxylate anion is somewhat stabilized in the case of multiple substituents. So pKa value will be less, the increase the acidity character. So acidity character increases in the right side. So compare the strength of. So how to compare the strength of acidic nature group stronger acids. So we can conclude that stronger acids should have the pKa value less and the Ka value more. But in the case of weaker acids, pKa value will be less. In the case of pKa value for weaker acids should be more and Ka value will be less. That is our conclusion of acidic nature of carboxylic acids, substituent acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Now we can combine, we can prepare the carboxylic acids in the following way. How to prepare the some more aromatic nature of carboxylic acids. What is the effect of nature of aromatic ring and the substituent effect of aromatic carboxylic acids like electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. So preparation. How to prepare the following compounds whenever the oxidation of alcoholic group like CH3 CH2 OH. Here the ethanolic group. Ethanol is actually oxidized by the potassium dibromate K2Cr2O7 in the presence of any acidic group. It will become a aldehyde CH3CHO, and when it is oxidized further with K2Cr2O7 in the presence of acids, it will give the compound of acetic acids. So whenever the oxidation reaction taking place, it will increase the oxygen character, so aldehyde becomes acids. Now we can say if take the example of 2-butene, CH3CH So it will react with KMnO4 in the presence of base, or it heat the reactions in the presence of H2O, H plus. So in the presence of water molecules, it will give the 2 molar acetic acids like CH3, 2 acetic acids molecules. If we compare these molecules, for taking of example of acetic acid, ethanol molecules, CH3, CH2OH, we can easily prepare the carboxylic acids in the single step by applying the KMnO4 in the presence of base. Like he did the reactions in the presence of water molecules like H2O, H plus, it will give the compound of acetic acid. These are the some of the preparation of carboxylic acids group. Now let's see the aromatic effect of substituent of at ortho and para positions, carboxylic nature. So even though a benzene ring having the electron multiple nature, because benzene ring consists of more number of electrons, 6 electrons. But whenever the carboxylate anion is carboxylic acids group present in the case of benzene ring, because carboxylate group easily withdraw electrons, so it is one of the nature. But whenever the benzoic acid, compare the benzoic acids with orthohydroxybenzoic acid and para-hydroxybenzoic acids in the presence of any electron donating group, or in the case of benzoic acid compare with para-nitrobenzoic acid or orthonitrobenzoic acids. Whenever the ortho and para group, the ortho group is more acidic character than the para group. But in the case of electron donating group, what are the reactions taking place, or what are the electron, if the electron withdrawing group is present, what is happening actually inside the ring, whether the carboxylate anion is stabilized by resonance and inductive effect. Whenever the increasing the length of the carboxylate ion and a substituent effect like the electron donating group, if the electron donating group present in the para positions, the resonance effect is taking place. But in the case of electron donating group is present in the case of ortho positions, the inductive effect is predominates over the resonance effect. However, the carboxylate anion is not stabilized by the both of the substituents like OH group present in the whether in the ortho position or para position, but it will it will enhance the reaction of whether the electrophile, because electrophile is having the nature of positive charge, which will tend to attack the compounds which contains the more number of electrons, that is the aromatic ring. So how the reaction is taking place, let's see. And or if it is electron withdrawing group, so what is the nature of electrophilic attack, nucleophilic attack? Compare the nucleophilic attacking reagents. A nucleophile is actually having the negative charge which will able to attack the compounds which contains the positive charge, because the nucleophile is ability to attract the level of positive charge. So this is a difference between the nucleophilic attack and electrophilic attack. And now how the nucleophilic attack and electrophilic attack taking place in the case of aromatic carboxylic acids, and if the carboxylic acids contain some more substituents like electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. Now, how the effect of substituent and aromatic carboxylic acids like ortho and para substituent like OH group. Here the OH group can able to donate the electron. It actually acts as a electron donating group. Now the lone pair of electrons contains shifted to the single bond. Here this electron double bond electron shifted on the carbon atom. So the equilibrium reaction is taking place. This is a para substituent of carboxylic acid. So here the carboxylate anion is present. Whenever the electron donating group is present in the case of ortho and para positions, the inductive effect and resonance effect is a difference between the whether it is taking place the reaction is the ortho position or para position. If it is a para positions, the resonance predominates. If it is a ortho positions, the inductive effect is predominate over the resonance effect. However, the carboxylate anion is not stabilized by the both of the positions. So the only the difference between the in the case whether the electrophilic and the nucleophilic reaction is taking place, which position is going to be attacked in the aromatic ring. So the negative charge is created. So here the double bond OH plus. So one of the equilibrium reaction is taking place. So this is so we can write the canonical structure like the following way. Here the electron shifted here. So here the electron shifting taking place. So electron shift. Here the double bond OH plus as usually we can written as. So minus charge, here the minus charge is created, see double bond O, here O minus. So here the electron is shifted here, so this is electron shifted to carbon atom. So we can write as a formation like minus charge, double bond OH, here the plus charge. So this is a resonance effect predominate over the inductive effect. If it is in the ortho positions, so here here also the lone pair of electrons is available. So now if the electron shifted here, this is the electron shifted to a position of carboxylate group. So we can written as a canonical structure like a double bond OH plus. Here also so we can written the canonical structure of resonance form like this electron shifted to here, so this is electron shifted to the carbon atom. So here double bond OH plus. So this is electron taking place here also. So here the carboxylate anion group. So resonance structure we can written the following way. We have already studied in the lower classes, like this electron shifted to here. So we can written the following way. Here double bond OH plus. Here also C double bond O, then O minus. This is a, if it is nucleophilic reagent, one of the very important concept, whether the nucleophile consists of negative charge, it will desirable to attack the compounds which contains the positive charge. However, here the positive charge created at the negative charge created at the ortho and para position, but in the case of meta positions the negative charge is not created. So the nucleophile can able to attack at a meta position in the case of electron donating group present in the case of aromatic carboxylic acids like electrophilic reagents. So electrophilic reagents electrophile which consists of positive charge, it can able to or desirable to attack the compound which contains the negative charge. Here compare, see the aromatic ring structure, the negative charge created, whole the ring is ortho and para positions. So ortho and para positions. So here the ortho and para position can able to attack the electrophilic substitution reactions, and nucleophilic substitution reaction is also possible in the case of meta position alone. So if it is electron, these are all electron donating group. So if the electron withdrawing group is present, so how can be the resonance structure?